Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and today I'm going to talk about the Project and Document Targets feature in Scrivener. Let's tackle the overall project first. Click on your project menu and select Project Targets. You'll see two boxes, a draft target and a session target. The draft target is for your entire manuscript, so if you're going for 80,000 words, you can type that into the box. Check documents included in compile only to make sure you're not counting things that aren't your actual manuscript. The second box is session target, which is basically your daily word count. That's as long as you don't close Scrivener at any point, because that will reset your target. You can have a set target that you never change, or you can change it on a daily basis. I'm going to put in a low count and show you what it looks like with some words on the page. As you can see, the progress bars change colour as you get closer to your target. I often have this box open in the corner of my screen while I'm writing. The individual document targets can be accessed by the little target symbol at the bottom right corner of your writing screen. Here you can set a target for words or characters. So if you wanted each chapter to be around 3,000 words, you could put that in here for each one, or have different amounts for different documents. As you can see, when I put an amount in, I get a little progress bar at the bottom of the screen for that document. Okay, that's all I have to tell you on project and document targets. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, and if you haven't subscribed already, why not do so that you'll see any future Scrivener videos that I make. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.